In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add a folder to your GitHub repository. This is a useful way to organize your project files and keep your repository clean and structured. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look at the left panel of your GitHub dashboard and select the repository where you want to add the folder. Once you're inside the repository, click the Add File button near the top of the file list. From the drop-down menu, select Create New File. Now, in the File Name field, enter the name of the folder you want to create, followed by a /. For example, type New Folder. The / tells GitHub that you're creating a folder structure. Next, enter a file name after the folder name. For example, New Folder, example.txt. GitHub requires a file inside the folder because empty folders aren't stored in Git repositories. Once you've entered the folder and file name, add any content you want inside the new file. Now, look toward the upper right area of the page and click Commit Changes. If a confirmation dialog appears, click Commit Changes again to finalize the update. Your new folder will now appear in the repository. Click on it to open the folder, and you can upload or create additional files inside it. And that's it. You've successfully added a folder to your GitHub repository and can now use it to keep your project files organized. Thanks for watching.